Okay. Hi, I'm Jillian, and I'm going to be talking about the eruption of solar filaments. So, solar filaments are clouds of ionized gas above the solar surface and magnetic field of the sun, being squeezed between the magnetic regions of opposite polarity. They appear as dark lines because they are cool and dense when seen on the solar disk. The filaments can survive, but if they do not, they can erupt. Just like in this picture, this is a picture of a solar filament erupting off the surface of the sun. So on this second slide, when a solar filament becomes unstable in their environment, they either fall back into the sun or they erupt. And when they erupt, they launch out into space and are now called solar prominences. When the filament erupts, it sends a mass coronal injection outside of the sun's magnetic shield and sometimes near Earth. If you look closely, the sun is the white ring in the middle of both pictures. Notice how much bigger the coronal injection is than the actual sun itself. When a mass corona erupts, it hurls magnetized plasma into the solar system, which you can see on both the blue and red picture. There's this little balloon kind of blowing out of the sun, and so that is the solar filament erupting. So this disrupts the solar winds. These eruptions have huge consequences, not just for space. If the filament reaches the Earth, this could cause radiation and severe magnetic storms. They can reach Earth in less than 2 days at their fastest. So on a very active day, there can be up to 20 eruptions a day. However, the sun has been very inactive recently. One time, an eruption wiped out a power grid in Quebec. And for another scary fact, they release 10 million times more energy than a volcano, and they are almost as hot as the core of the sun itself. So this picture is just kind of a graphic picture of the magnetized plasma shooting out into the solar system. And so I have this video that relates to my two pictures. So I'm going to start it at 105. That is a solar filament erupting. That's the first picture that you guys saw. And then this is from the second one, so the sun is in the middle. And it's just shooting off. All right. Thank you for watching.